Hey everyone, Technomentor here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add your passport, the US one, to your iPhone. So let's get started. So in order to do this, very first thing is you do need to update your iPhone to iOS 26.1 or newer. So in your setting, just go to General, Software Update, and make sure you're up to date with 26.1 as this is a new feature after that version. The other thing you also need to ensure that is you're using Face ID or Touch ID. So in your setting, just go to check that you have your Face ID and passcode as well enabled on it. So here, this is where you can enable it. If you haven't done so, go ahead and enable. It will set up your Face ID or Touch ID. Now, with these two requirements on, all you do is go into your wallet app. And then once you go to your wallet app, just click on the plus icon. And from there on, you're going to see an option now that says driver's license and ID card. So you're going to tap on that. And then you're going to select for United States. Currently, it's in the USA. So select digital ID. And then here, as you can see here, you can use your US passport to now create a digital ID that could be used for flights, hotels, TSA, and other things as well. So you're going to hit continue. And then you're going to scan the first page of your passport here. You're just going to point to it, make sure it passed. First, open it up. I can't open it up because it has information on this one, but you get the idea. And then follow the prompt, which will take you to a couple steps. It'll also ask you to take a selfie, which you'll do at the end. It will, once it verifies everything, will complete, which will look like this. So once it's complete, it'll go through this. Verification will be required. You'll take a photo of you, and then finally you'll get a digital ID card like this for yourself. So it's going to have your name and then the digital ID that you can use. And that's all you need to do in order to add the US passport. So I hope this video was helpful. So please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. We'll see you guys next time.